Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve an example on resistance switching. So this is the question. In a 22 kV system, the reactance and capacitance up to the location of the circuit breaker is 8 ohms and 0.025 microfarad. A resistance of 600 ohm is connected across the contacts of the circuit breaker. We are supposed to find the natural frequency of oscillation, damped frequency of oscillation, the critical value of the resistance which will give no transient oscillation, and the value of the resistance which will give a damped frequency in case the damped frequency is equal to 1/4 of the natural frequency. First, let us write down the given data. As you can observe here, the data is given, the system voltage to 220 kV, the reactance, that is the inductive reactance, is 8 ohm, the capacitance is 0.025 microfarad, and the resistance which is connected across the circuit breaker contacts is 600 ohms. So we will write down these data first. So inductive reactance XL is 8 ohms, the capacitance is 0.025 microfarad, the resistance which is connected across the circuit breaker contacts is 600 ohms, and the system is having a 220 kV voltage. Okay, so now we are supposed to find the natural frequency of oscillations. The natural frequency of oscillation is given by oscillation is equal to 1 by 2 pi root L over C. So we don't know the value of L, so it can be obtained by the inductive reactance. So XL is equal to 2 pi FL. So what is L? L is equal to XL by 2 pi F. On substituting, we get the value of L as 0.0254 henries. So substitute the value of L and C in this, we get the natural frequency of oscillation as 6.304 kilohertz. Next is to find the frequency of damped oscillations. The frequency of damped oscillation. So we have seen in the derivation of resistance switching, the frequency of the damped oscillation is given by F equal to 1 by 2 pi root 1 by LC minus 1 by 4 R square C square. So if you substitute the value of LC, L is 0.0254, R is 600 and C is 0.025 microfarad, we get this answer as 3.413 kilohertz. So this is the frequency of damped oscillation. To find the critical resistance, we have to use R equal to 1 by 2 root L by C. If the resistance value is greater than this, the transient oscillations exist. If it is less than or equal to this half root L by C, then there is no transient oscillations. So the critical value of resistance is equal to 504.35. Substitute the value of L and C, we get this. So this is the critical resistance. Next comes the last one, that is we are supposed to find the new value of resistance if the damped frequency is equal to 1 by 4th of the natural frequency. So what is the damped frequency formula? F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root 1 by LC minus 1 by 4 R square C square. So what is told? The damped frequency is 1 by 4th of the natural frequency. So 1 by 4th of the natural frequency is, what we have got is 6.304 kilohertz is equal to 1 by 2 pi root 1 by LC. LC is 0.0254 into 0.025 microfarad minus 1 by 4 R square. C square is 0.025 micro the whole square. So we have to solve for R, and the R comes out to be 520.8 ohms. So the critical value of the resistance which is connected across the circuit breaker contacts, if a frequency is reduced by 1/4, then frequency is reduced by 4, then it is equal to 520.8 ohms.